Yeah, we got an easy skid vid today. It's a Kohler toilet. Keeps running. It's not filling up the tank. You can see the seal right there. That's all folded up under the valve here. So we'll have to replace it. It's about 5 years old. Let's shut the water off. These things are pretty easy to get out. I just put a little pressure downward and then turn it to the left or counterclockwise. There we go. Just like that. Oh yeah, that thing's roasted. Getting that excess old seal off. And just put our new one on. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these Kohler toilet seals in the description below, just in case you live out in the boonies and don't have access to a hardware store. That's it, easy as that. You just put it around the groove there. Alright, all I gotta do now is match up that shape right there and into that. Try to be gentle as I can with it because you don't want to snap it off. Then you gotta replace the whole flush valve. It went in, just turn it clockwise. Oh, I want my sunglasses. Here, snap. There we go. Easy skid vid today. Cool, the old tank's filling up. It's a good sign. All right, no more running. Oh, power flush 6,000. All right, that's an easy skid vid, easy money. Thank y'all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.